Hello everybody, and in this video I'm going to be doing a comparison. Which is better to buy? The Airfix Spitfire starter set or the Airfix Hurricane starter set? Now I've built both of these. I've even got proof. They are both starter set kits, and that means it comes with all the paint, glue and everything. So honestly, which is better to buy? If you want detail, then I'd recommend buying the Hurricane. The Hurricane's a lot more of a modern kit, and it's definitely got a lot more detail in it, because it took me longer to build because of all the detailed parts. The Spitfire, on the other hand, is still detailed, don't get me wrong, but not as detailed. Now, of course, it's a Spitfire, and all Spitfires are nice, but which honestly is better to buy? I just recommend whichever one you want, because if you're more of a detail-y sort of person, then the Hurricane is a clear winner. If you're more of a hang up from the ceiling, non-see detail kind of person, then the Spitfire. But you can, of course, hang the Hurricane on the ceiling and it will work. But did you see what Plastic Models did with his Hurricane? He made it look better than every Hurricane I've ever seen in real life, for that matter. He did an excellent job, and all of this is the same kit, but it just comes with all the stuff and not all of the decals and everything. So you could transform one of these little starter set kits into what Plastic Models did. So if you're definitely more of a detail-y sort of guy, the Hurricane. If you're more of a I don't really care about detail, but I still want a bit of detail, then Spitfire. Honestly, whichever one you want. They're both excellent kits, but I had a slight problem with Spitfire. I had to cut some of this off and put some filler down there, and I had no problems with the Hurricane. But they're both fantastic kits, and depends what you want to buy. But you could also make the canopy go back on the Hurricane. You know, and that's what you want. It also comes with a much better pilot model than the Spitfire, simply because the Spitfire is an older kit, and the Hurricane's a newer sort of kit. I know that because of the instructions, and it's just a generally newer tool. So if you want a newer kit, Hurricane, and if you want detail, Hurricane. If you want a nice old kit, or not old, if you want a kit of a Spitfire that comes with everything you need, Spitfire. That's me out.